Okay, we are in profit, guys. We are in profit. We just did the analysis on this pair, and then this is the pair that we'll be covering throughout the video. So yeah, be sure you stay tuned up until the very end, so you will get to see how we got this move right here. So you can see right here, we've been analyzing. We analyzed from 4 hours, as you can see, and now we are here. So yeah, stay tuned to see how we analyze this pair.
Will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it, and I did.
We getting money, don't care about what they.
Good day, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to use setups to enter as the market, how to use the setups as a signal. Now, as you can see right here, I have a German 30, so you better watch up until the very end, because I'm going to show you how I did analyze this pair right here. This is the pair. So I'm going to show you how I analyze this pair and what is it that I'm looking for. Currently you can see that I'm waiting for the market to break and then shoot up. So these are the type of setups I send in the group, and most people are confused as to why I do not tell them to buy at this price, or to where is the stop loss, where is the take profit. So in this video I'm going to show you on how to actually get your stop loss and take profit from these setups that I send in the group. If you are not in the channel Telegram group, then you better check the link in the description, join the Telegram group. Here, as you can see, I have the analysis. So I'm going to simply show you on how to get your signals. So at this point right here, this is your entry, this is your stop loss, this is your take profit. So on the screen, on the screenshots that I sent, you will see these numbers right here. So these numbers right here represent our entry, stop loss, and take profit. So I will start with the gray one. The gray one right here is where you will expect your entry right here. So you can either go to trading view and also analyze these pairs on by your own, or you can just check the price right here and set your alerts. Now here, the red one right here, this one represents a stop loss. So if you can have our cross right here, you will see this line right here. This price right there represents our stop loss right there. And then here, the green one right here, it represents the take profit. So on the screen right now, it's a chart of nasdaq that we were trading this week, ever since Monday. And you can see where the entries are and where your stop loss is and where your take profit is, now that I have shown you what to look for when you come into taking trade using these setups. So it might be in my group, it might be in someone else's group, but if they are not giving you specifically, they are not being specific on what to do, buy now or buy at this price, but then they send this type of a setup, you need to know what to look for. You are looking for the red line as a stop loss, the green line as a take profit, not this green line right here, because that's where the current market is, and then this price keeps on changing. So the gray price right there represents your entry. Now how do I do is that after I've analyzed this, once I see that okay, I'm expecting the market to break to the upside, I'm just simply going to come here right here. That's where I'm expecting my entry. So I'll just go there and press this plus button right here. Once I press that, it says add alert for German 30 on 4-hour time frame. So I would say yes. So now we have alert right there. If I go to alerts, you will see the German 30 and it's active. So I can go there and then also change the sound. So I can go there and change the sound options. I will click more options, and right here these are the sounds that you may check out. So once you select the sound that you like, can be this one, can be this one. So I like this one. So once you selected your sound, you will just leave it like that. Now you can see that here we have a orange line right there. We have the orange line right here, and this is where your alert is. Once the market touches this level right here, your PC or your cell phone will hit you with an alert, and then now that's the perfect time to enter the market. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and stay tuned just to see how I analyzed this pair. Well, if you are still watching, it means that you are enjoying the content. Be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, then I prefer you subscribe right now. So let's dive into the analysis. Here I have German 30 opened, and I'm going to do some analysis on it. So as I zoom out the chart, I can see that we are now on the higher high. The price is now on the higher high right there. So I'm going to start here with my trend line right here. You know, I start on the daily time frame to identify the movement. It could be something like this or something like this. It's fine. Or something like this. So we are now going to switch to a smaller time frame, of which we are going to 4 hours after that. So this is what we are seeing on the 4-hour time frame. So currently on a daily time frame, what have you learned on a daily time frame? What we saw on a daily time frame is that the market is still continue going up, so we're simply going to follow the trend. Remember, when the market goes up, we go up. When the market goes down, we go down. We don't try to go against the trend, just simply following the trend. So here we learned that the market is shooting up. Now we're going to switch back to 4-hour time frame. Since I've seen that the market is going up and I'm looking for buying opportunities, I might as well delete these lines right here so that I don't have multiple trend lines on this pair. So on a 4-hour time frame, I have this type of a structure right here. I have this. And if I scroll back, I had this. But those who are trading with me knows very well that I hate going back, especially when I'm doing live analysis, because I'm looking for opportunities, like current opportunities. I don't care what happened previously. So I'm going to look for opportunities right here. I'm going to check this one right here. It gives me this kind of a triangle. So let me just delete this trend line and then actually use this thing right here. So yeah, this is the type of a structure we are seeing right now, and we are looking to take more buys once the market breaks, and then our stop loss will be somewhere here. We need like 2 to 3%. That's fine. Now let's switch to 1-hour time frame to see if we can have more opportunities than what we are seeing. So on an hour time frame, this is what we are seeing. This one, let me put this one aside. So on an hour time frame, this is what we are seeing right now. Nothing much hectic, nothing new. We are still looking for the market to escape this trend, this triangle structure. So we're going to leave it like that, and then maybe put this right here. So we are waiting for the breakout, and once the breakout happens, it may happen to the downside, it may happen to the upside. However, whenever the breakout happens, that's when we are now going to take our entries. So this was how I analyzed the GMN 30, and we are still simply waiting to see how with the market play. So yeah, if you are watching up until this very end, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your support. So be sure you hit that like button, share the video with your friends as well. Love you, stay tuned, and I'm out.